ties and it doesn't look really nice.
This is
But
Ishmeal Lamptey. So today I came to the
you can find a
Adomi Bridge, and I've been here a couple of times, but anytime that I get here, it's either I'm passing by to a place or it's like I'm here for a certain assignment, so I don't get to film anything. So today I purposely decided I was going to come here to try as much as possible to film something with my drone, especially. Wow, that's a bird. We just got a fish. Yeah, so that's what I actually came here to do. So I've been able to fly around. The weather is quite not so good because it's on our way here. It was raining very heavily, so we had to even stop at some point to be able to wait till the rain calms down before we continue. So we go here like about 30 minutes ago, and it's currently 4 now. It should be heading back. I came with coffee. He's over there. We used the motorbike and embarking on this journey. It's quite a stressful one, but also worth it. So some of the moves that I did it wasn't so much of any crazy shots or moves, just going under the bridge, filming some boats, just filming a couple of things over here. There isn't so much to see because it's been raining. I was hoping or wishing I could see a couple of canoes on the water, but unfortunately because it's been raining, it isn't so. But after all, I still got something, and I'm glad at least today I've purposely been able to come here to film something, and I feel good about it. Maybe I might come at a very good time some other day, and then I'm sure during then there'll be a lot of activities going on here, and then I'll be able to film a couple of things. But you can't own gear and then just be seated at one place looking for it or waiting for content to come to you. You always have to step out there to be able to make some awesome content. It won't always be as great as you might expect it to be, but once you keep filming every now and then, you realize that as time keeps going on, you are getting good at it. And yeah, so that is basically what I try doing every now and then. When I get a chance, I step out there to be able to film something. Not as much as it might not be so great, but to help me also improve upon my flight skills, which is very important too, because I've started taking drone gigs, and it is very important for me to be able to at least get shots close to, or I say perfect, the shots that the clients may be looking forward to. So these are some of the things that I actually like to do. So that's Kofi seated there.
Africa channel for the update and for the full video.
Yeah, and that's the bike we came with. So let me just turn so you can see the bike. So that's the bike we came with, and this is just some part of the Atimpoku Adomi Bridge, and I guess we got to go. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly go ahead to subscribe to this channel. See him, he's getting
and subscribe to mine too.
He's getting bored. And then don't forget to hit on the bell, so anytime there's a new video, you get to see it. So I'll see you in the next one.